Kevin, are you ready? Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, so please introduce about yourself.
My name is Chí Khang. I I live in Hồ Chí Minh City and Thủ Đức City. Mm. My family has 4 members. My dad, my mom, me, and my little brother. My favorite dream job is fitness trainer. It helps us to have a fit and healthy body, to fight against diseases, and teach new bodybuilders and not to make mistakes when exercising. A fit and healthy body make us stronger and easier to work in life.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I think that have to work you have to work a lot to build your muscle. Okay, can you show me your muscle? Okay, you need to work a lot to build your muscle if you want to become uh PT trainer, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now please retell a part in the story guitarist. Okay, come on, tell me. Just about 5 to 7 sentences. All right. So Tony had a dream.
Tony had a dream. He wanted to be the best guitarist in the world. He wanted to be the rock and roll god.
Anything else?
Uh, he decided to find the best guitar teacher in the world. Tom was the best guitar teacher in the world. Tony went to Tom and he said, "Teach me to be a rock god."
Okay, thank you, Kevin. That's all. All right, so let's go to the story. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So Tony had a dream. He wanted to be the best guitarist in the world. He wanted to be a rock and roll god. But the problem is, he doesn't play the guitar. Ooh. So, did Tony have no dream?
No,
What did Tony have?
he had a dream. He wanted to be the best guitarist in the world.
Okay, so how many dreams did Tony have?
One,
One. And what kind of music did Tony want to master it?
rock and roll.
Rock and roll. So, was there no problem with Tony's dream?
No,
No, yeah. So, what was the problem with Tony's dream?
he he didn't play the guitar.
Okay,
He
and
he don't know how to do finger wiggly
okay. So, all right. Which instrument didn't Tony know how to play?
guitar.
Guitar, very good job. So, he decided to find the best guitar teacher in the world, and Tom was best guitar teacher in the world. Ooh. Okay, so who was the best guitar teacher in the world?
Tom,
Tom, very good job. So who was Tom?
mm,
The who was Tom?
he the best guitar teacher. in the world.
Very good job. So, what did Tony decide to find?
He decided to find the best guitar teacher in the world.
Very good job. Okay. So, all right. Very good. So, was Tony the best guitar teacher in the world?
Yes.
Was Tony the best guitar teacher in the world, Tony?
No, no.
No, 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 no. Okay. So, for 1 year, every day, Tony imitated Tom. Ooh. So, did Tony imitate Tom every day?
Yes.
How often did Tony imitate Tom?
Every day.
Very good job. Every day. What did Tony do?
He imitated Tom. He dressed like Tom. He jumped and yelled like Tom. He looked cool like Tom.
Yes, okay, thank you very much. All right. So that's the end of your mini test today. Very good job. Okay.